Today we'll be taking a look at the Baö Elegant Freestanding Bathtub. This timeless classic, with its shadowline design and soft curves, offers grace and sophistication, sure to elevate any bathroom to the next level of luxury. The freestanding arrangement is perfect for bathrooms with ample space and is sure to be a standout feature in your next bathroom renovation. The subtle raised plinth is a design feature that reduces visual bulk and allows the bath to suit a variety of interior design styles, whether that be modern, Hamptons or classic. Baö's elegant design is also available in back-to-corner or back-to-wall configurations, with the option of two sizes, 1500 and 1700 millimeters, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for your bathroom without compromising on style. If you're 5'10" or taller and have the available space, we recommend that you opt for the largest bath in this range for the ultimate bathing experience. Made with a lightweight, sanitary-grade, UV-stabilized acrylic, there is no discoloration to the finish of the bath over time. The gloss finish is easy to clean and harmonizes with that of vitreous china toilets and basins. The entire Baö bath range incorporates layers of insulation within the structure, which means heat is retained for as long as possible throughout the duration of a bath. Bring a touch of sophistication to your space and create a lasting impression with our stunning range of elegant baths, combining style and luxurious comfort. Visit our website now to explore the full range of Baö baths and find the perfect addition to your bathroom oasis.